Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today in this video we are going to discuss how to prepare mains level DIs. As now there are going to be many mains examinations, so we need to make a command on mains level DIs also. As mains level DIs play a huge role in our selection. Okay. So first are basics and then practice. We will discuss about both the things. First is clear your basics. So for mains level DIs, all the DIs are based on arithmetic. Okay. So our arithmetic needs to be strong to be good at mains level DIs, and for this we need to clear our basics for arithmetic. To clear our basics of arithmetic, you can follow any teacher like Ashish sir or Amar sir or any other quant educator. Okay, you can follow any other educator or like these two educators also, and clear your basics of the chapters one by one, and after that practice the questions level wise, level 1, level 2. Okay, but for mains level DIs, to be good at mains level DIs, what you need to do is, like today you are doing percentage chapter. Okay, first you will complete the percentage chapter and complete the practice. After completing the percentage chapter, you will solve 4 to 5 DIs based on the percentage chapter. Okay, first try to solve pre level DIs, and after that try to solve 2 to 3 mains level DIs based on percentage. For example, if you are doing time and work, then try to solve 4 to 5 DIs of time and work. Okay, so this is the thing, this is the way to prepare for mains level DIs along with arithmetic, and this is the best way to prepare for mains level DIs, because you will be able to apply the concepts which you have learned in the arithmetic chapters to the DIs, and after that you will find them very easy, because you have learned the concepts of arithmetic, you have practiced the questions of the chapters, and you have practiced mains level DIs also. Okay, it is going to help you a lot. For example, like mensuration chapter also, first cover the basics and then practice the questions, and after that solve mains level DIs based on arithmetic, and it is going to help you a lot. This is the best way to prepare. Now we will discuss about practice, like from where to practice for mains level DIs. So for mains level DIs, I have a book. If you want to follow this book, then you can also use it. Wait, I will show you. So this is the book which I am using for data interpretation decoding. Okay, and this is for mains and pre both level. I will show you the insides of this book also, like what it has. So you can see that it has different types of DIs like bar graph DI, line graph DI, pie chart, then Venn diagram based caselet, then paragraph, then tabular, radar. So there are many types of DIs, and there are arithmetic DIs. Then there are some high level DIs also. Okay, and the best thing about it is that like every day you need to practice 5 to 6 types of DI daily, because we need to be in touch of each type of DIs. Okay, so what you can do is you can practice one from bar graph, one from line graph, one from pie chart, one from Venn diagram. So you can like take one DI from each the chapter, and you can practice these things on daily basis, so that you can make your command on each type of DIs. And in this book everything is given specifically and in a very good manner. Okay, so you can use this book. I will show you that different types of charts are given. Like first they have shown that which type of charts DIs can come in the examination. Okay, then there are detailed solutions also for the DIs, and there are caselet DIs also. Okay, so I think this is very good for preparing for the mains level DIs and the pre level. So you can see that there are arithmetic based caselets also. So it is going to help you a lot in your preparation. If you are searching for any material for DI, then you can go for this book. I will give you the link of this book in description, and you can go and buy this book. Otherwise you can yourself search in Google, and from there you will find this book. The name is DI Decoded. Okay, I will show you the name again. So this is the name of this book, Data Interpretation Decoding. You can go and check this out. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day and all the best for your upcoming examinations. Thank you.